Hello, beautiful Year 5.
We're missing you already.
So, we've got some work for you so that you don't have to spend too long on your laptops.
We've got 2 numeracy packs, which I'm going to demonstrate what they look like.
We're going to give you each an exercise book, and we'd like you to keep a diary of your time over the next few weeks. What you're doing, what you're not doing, how you're feeling. We're going to give you more suggestions about how we would like you to do this over the next few weeks. We would also like you to write a story. We're going to want you to do just a little bit each day and to not rush it. And again, we're going to tell you how to divide up your work.
We're going to give you a recipe on how to bake some cookies, healthy ones of course.
And both of us are going to set you some science work to do, but we're setting you separate science work. Okay, hope you've got a timetable, hope you're relaxing, hope you're knitting.
Hope you're being kind to yourself and each other.
Yes.
And, I forgot, I'd like some pictures. We'd like some pictures.
We'd like some pictures.
Of whatever you're doing, especially when you're baking. And we're going to make a timetable.
Yeah, we're going to ask you to make a timetable of your day, because that's the first thing that you need to be doing.
But we'll talk a little bit more about that next time. And other stuff will be on our website. Bye.